shall we do today, Morphle?
Morphle want fun!
Ooh, that looks like fun! I know! Morphle! Morph into a monster truck!
Monster truck? Ooh! Morph, morph!
Let's have a monstrously good time!
What monster truck? Aha! Ice cream! Hey! Oh! Orphle need drink!
Hey!
Orphle play!
What was that?
Garbage fun!
Morphle! Morph into a tow truck so we can drag this mischievous monster away!
Orphle strong!
Orphle, stop!
Thanks!
Morphle, morph into a giant spider!
Morphle, morph, morph!
Quick, Morphle! Fire your web at Orphle and stop him! Morphle! He's not stopping! Shoot some more web onto one of his wheels! Well done, Morphle! This is a monster truck, Orphle.
Oh!
Now we can have fun together! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Morphle hat!
Hey everyone, this is Slushy Seal. He'll cool you all down. Watch this.
According to the Magic Pet Primer, it can turn things into juice pops.
Morphle love juice pops!
I know you do, Morphle. But Eloisa can have this one because she's the youngest.
Strawberry, my favorite. Thanks, Slushy Seal. They're a magic match.
Wow!
Can you make that a juicy pop?
Hey!
And can you make that a juicy pop?
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeehaw! Juicy pops for everyone!
They're gonna turn everything into juice pops.
Don't worry, we'll get her back. Let's go.
Be careful!
Whoa! This is not cool. Actually, it's very cool. Let's find Eloisa and Slushy Seal. Juicy pops everywhere.
Orphle no juice pop!
Orphle? Don't worry, Orphle. We'll get you out of there. But how? What's Eloisa's favorite juice pop flavor? Strawberry.
strawberry. Well, that's what you need to morph into, Morphle.
Have a tasty strawberry!
Let's make a huge strawberry juicy pop! We gotta save them! Almost! Yes! Thank you! You're welcome. But you can't fill up Petport with huge juice pops. And look what you've done to Orphle. Sorry, we didn't see him.
Ooh, I found that juice pop!
Hi, Daddy. We're here.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah! Thank you, Slushy Seal.
Tasty juice pops!
I'm so glad to have my magic match. Orphle, would you like a juice pop?
I found that juice pop!
6 more laps to go.
Mila, pop away!
No way. Whoa.
Inkra, could you make that direction sign bigger, please?
Huh? Oh no, I'd run out of power. I know, Animi. If you could bring the go-kart to life, we can keep racing. Giant baby dolls.
Inkra, Animi, come back!
How are we going to stop those baby dolls? I have no idea. But if we work together, I know we'll find a way. Let's go! A giant roller skating baby? That's not something you see every day. It thinks we're a toy car! If it wants a toy, then let's give it one. Morphle, please morph into a giant teddy bear. Oh no. It wants to cuddle. We gotta get it back to the Magic Pet Center so Inkra and Animi can turn it back to normal. Watch out! Inkra, Animi, zap that giant baby! This is getting out of control. Don't those babies ever get tired? Jordie, that's it! You are a genius! I am? Yeah! Babies need nap time. So let's play them a lullaby to put them to sleep. Morphle, morph into a music box.
Wow!
Okay, let's make these babies sleepy. Hey, babies! Check this out! Doesn't it make you really sleepy?
Inkra, Animi, zap them!
See, when we work together, we're all winners.
Is everybody ready for the great dinosaur race?
Yeah!
You'll start here in the park, then swim at the beach. Then whoever gets to the top of Mount Petport first wins the trophy.
Let's do it! Someone say trophy. Winston and Orphle.
Us race too!
Watch out, because C-Rex, my magic match, is awesome in the water. Yeah!
We're not a magic match at all, and Maladino's way too small. How can I win anything when our powers only make me sing? Great thinking, Inkra. Oh, well, we can race now. The rules are dinos only, but no flying dinos allowed.
Okay, Mila.
Yeah!
Morph into a Triceratops too, Orphle.
Orphle! Mimic on dinosaur! Orphle!
A Stegoraptor? Awesome!
On your marks, get set.
Go there! Let's go!
That'll stop them.
Morphle, we've got to do something before everybody falls in! Yes!
Yeah!
We're not going fast, but we're having a blast!
Oh, here they come. Time for the swimming part of the race.
Quick! Morph into a Brachiosaurus too, Orphle.
Orphle! Mimic on dinosaur!
A Brachiosaurus Rex. Oh, yes! A Whirlpool? That will stop them.
Huh?
Hang on, Mila and Orphle.
Thanks, T-Rex! Come on now, you're doing great! Don't give up, it's not too late!
It's the last part of the race. To the top of Mount
Let's
Petport.
do it, Orphle!
Morph into something that can fly, Orphle. A Triceratactyl. Yeah!
Hey! No flying dinos, Winston!
Haha, we're going to win.
Help! We have to save them! Keep on climbing, you know where. Come on now, we're almost there.
The winners are Jordie and Dino.
You did it, Jordie! Congratulations!
This is your fault, Orphle.
Snaffle! Oops.
I knew we could do it, even at that pace. 'Cause slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah!
A bit more wind, please, Catmo. Winston!
My kite is bigger than yours. Watch this. Huh? But it's not windy enough for my kite. I'll give you one of these if you make Catmo turn the weather really windy. What's going on? We did it, Claw! This is the weather I need. Woohoo!
What? Stop annoying Catmo. You're making the weather too windy. Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Now let's rescue Jordie and Winston. Phew. Help me! Hang on, Jordie! My hands are slipping! Wait! Gotcha! Thank you. Help me! Winston's in trouble! Let's go! Mila, we can't do anything in this wind! Actually, we can. We can? Yes. We'll use the wind to get us to Winston. Morphle, morph into a hang glider. Let's go! Woohoo! Yeah!
Well, this can't get any worse. Oh, it's worse!
Don't worry, Winston. We'll save you.
Oh, hurry up with the saving then.
Got you.
You took your time.
Oh, Winston.
Too windy!
We have to calm Catmo down. Treats for you, Claw.
is happy and the winds calm down.
Butterfly!
Did you hear Daddy's got a surprise for us?
Morphle loves surprises!
Here I am.
Wow! Whoa! It's a train!
Who wants a ride?
Me!
Orphle one train!
Whoa!
Oh no! Orphle's taking the train on a joyride. And he doesn't know how to drive it! We'll get the train back, Daddy!
Be careful!
Here's your cake, Officer Freeze.
Watch out! Whoa! Sorry, Officer Freeze!
Slow down! You kids be careful.
Look out, Morphle! Oh man, how are we going to catch up to Orphle now?
Oh, like that.
There he is! Wait, does Orphle know you can't drive in sand? And now he's stuck.
Choo-choo, now
No train for anybody, Orphle. If you don't get it to the park.
Orphle, sorry.
We forgive you, Orphle.
Come on, buddy.
Thank you.
I have an idea. Let's fly it there, Morphle. Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Thanks for getting the train back.
Yay! Orphle's train!
Orphle.
Okay, everybody's train!
I'm so excited you're moving in, Jordie.
Yeah, Daddy Gianna married!
Being a new stepbrother and living with the magic pets is going to be awesome, Mila.
Jordie family!
We're going to get the rest of our things so we can properly move into our new home.
Okay, Mom.
Mila, why don't you and Morphle help Jordie settle in?
Sure thing, Daddy. Let's start with this. It's so heavy. Animi, can you please zap the bed to life? Wow. Jordie's bed. Could you please trot upstairs?
My bed just ran away. That's the weirdest thing I've ever said.
You'll get used to that. Come on, let's catch it.
There's my bed.
We've got to get close enough for Animi to zap it again.
Morphle now!
Let's get that bed. Whoa! Is this safe? Don't worry, Jordie. Morphle's got you.
Huh? A galloping bed? Not in my city. Whoa!
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Yeah! Zap it, Animi! Ooh! Maybe we should just buy a new bed. Let's use our nets. Almost. Got it! Let's try another way. morph into a helicopter. Mila, what's happening? I've got an idea, but you're not gonna like it.
You're right! I don't like it!
Yeah! Get closer, Morphle! Got you! Hold on tight! Whoa! Time to take this bed hunt to the next level.
There's another level?
Well done, Morphle. Now let's cover it. Here comes my bed. Now, Morphle! It's working! Great job, Morphle. That's it, Ben. Nowhere to go. Stop it, Animi.
Is everyone okay? What have you been up to?
We've just been making my bed.
Hey, why don't we ask Animi to help get your bed upstairs?
No thanks. We'll help you carry it. Yeah, Morphle!
Awful monster truck too!
What's that? Doubler has doubled Orphle!
Oh no! That means double trouble!
You didn't mean to double them. It was an accident.
Ah! Monster truck, Orphle? Not in my... Whoa! Ah!
They're getting away! Faster, Morphle! Get us close to the Orphles so Doubler can undouble them.
Gotcha!
Don't worry, Doubler. Everything's going to be okay.
More Orphles!
Oh no! That means double trouble! Look out, Orphle! I mean, Orphles!
They're out of control!
The Orphles landed in the sea! We gotta save them! Morphle, morph into a giant robot! Hang on, everybody!
I can't look! Zap them, Doubler!
But you're Orphle.
Oh, right.
And one Orphle is plenty!
Some for you, Jordie.
I don't like broccoli.
You always say that, honey, but you've never even tasted it.
You'll never know until you try, buddy.
They're like little trees, see?
Oh, delicious trees.
But I don't want to eat trees.
Well, how about if they were a dinosaur?
Why would I want to eat a dinosaur?
Don't worry, Doubler can make some more broccoli for everyone. something you see every day. Unless you're us. We need to stop it. Oh no! The Broccoli-saurus is going to smush the ice cream truck. We need to lure it away. And I know how. The Broccoli-saurus is a herbivore. It eats vegetables, so let's feed it. Come on, you Vegisaurus. Try a nice, yummy potato. Now try some carrots. Animi, do your thing. Oh no! Well, that's enough broccoli for one day, huh?
After all that, you're not even curious what it tastes like?
Well...
Jordie, like broccoli?
No. I love broccoli. Hey, is there any more? Yay!
Bouncy! All for bounce, bounce!
Uh-oh. Here you go, Giggle Bunny. We don't want you getting hungry and making people laugh too much, do we?
Oopsie! What happening?
Giggle Buddy and Orphle? He must be using Orphle to find food. Orphle's laughing out of control. Then we have to get them back quick.
Let's go!
According to the Magic Pet Primer, Giggle Bunny will make you laugh non-stop until you feed him snacks. Well, it's lucky I brought these. Giggle Bunny, don't you want some yummy carrots? They're going to bounce into the lake. Do something, Morphle. We have to feed these to Giggle Bunny, so we'll stop Orphle laughing. But how?
Morphle idea!
Giggle Bunny, yummy carrots! They're running out of room! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a giant inflatable slide!
Morphle! Oh no!
Oh no! The carrots! What are we going to get Giggle Bunny to eat now? Aha! One of these! Oh, carrot cake! Great idea!